how to sell anything you can possibly think of. You can sell anything you want as long as you learn these skills. You learn how to communicate a message, persuade, and influence people. If your message is clear enough, you can persuade people to buy anything from you. This could be anything from health products to investing to just anything you can think of. But once you have those skills and you learn how to communicate messages to people, you can sell anything you want. Anything you can possibly think of. You don't need sales experience. You don't need a degree. You don't need marketing experience or anything. You just need the skills. You just need the right education and the skills. That's all you need. You don't need to already have a large influence to do it. You don't need to be popular. You just need the skills. When I was in sales, I didn't learn those skills. I just got a script and I read it. And a lot of the customers that I spoke with, or the people that I talked to on the phone, were not happy customers. They were upset because I kept pitching the same thing and calling them, and they didn't want to be talked to anymore. They were frustrated, you know. And it was because we didn't know how to communicate a message effectively, you know. Now I'm learning how to do that. And you can learn how to do the same thing as well. It will change your life forever. And you'll be able to sell anything that you want and anything you're interested in, as long as you master those skills. I didn't have any marketing experience or sales experience. I just did it. I just went in, I learned the skills, and I got the right education, and everything's changing from here. So if you've been watching my videos, you might have heard me say that, or me mention a free training that you may be interested in. It teaches you all the skills that you need to do that, and to market online and to make money online as well. And teaches you how you can start your own home business straight from home with no experience, no sales experience, none of those things. So yeah. I'm recording a video. I'm just recording a video. That's all.
You was at work.
No, I'm not at work. Just recording.
Did you hear about Princeton?
Yeah. But yeah, you can sell anything you want with those skills. You know, you don't have to be afraid to step out there. I felt the same way when I got started. When I first did sales, I thought, man, I'm never going to be able to sell anything ever again. It was so hard. It was complicated. But once I realized the skills that I needed, everything changed from there. And you can learn the same skills in the free training. You just go to my website. It should be in my on my main page. You go to that website and it'll give you some free training. You can get some free training, and you can kind of get an introduction to these skills and how they can benefit you, and how they can impact your life and impact other people's life as well. You know, someone once told me that helping people is the easiest way for me to overcome my symptoms of depression, and you know, just simply serving people and helping people with their problems is what's going to make us fulfilled in life, and give us the fulfillment that we need to be happy in life. And ever since I've been doing that, I haven't felt the same. Not to say that I still don't have the symptoms of depression or anything. We all struggle, right? We all have our own problems and insecurities, but ever since I've been trying to help people like you on the internet, things have gotten better a little bit. So yeah, as someone who is struggling with depression, I'm here to tell you that if you're going through anything, just use that, use that as your message, and just use that to inspire you and to inspire other people to do the same thing. So I guess I'll end on this, but yeah, don't be afraid to share your message, and yeah, just go out there and sell whatever you can, and make money, make money on the internet. There isn't a better time to do it. Back in the day, you couldn't do this. You couldn't sell stuff online. You had to go out and meet people, and it was so different back then. You couldn't just get on the internet and just sell something. So again, if you want to learn the same skills that I learned, you want to learn how to sell products online, and make a lot of money, thousands of dollars a month. Imagine having that much money, coming in, a couple extra $1,000s a month. Think about all the things you can do with that. You can pay off your credit card debts, you can travel, you can have extra spending money. It's the kind of money that you want to have without having to worry about bills. It's the extra money that you could just pull out of your pocket and just spend on whatever you want, or invest it in yourself. Imagine having that extra money. Imagine learning new skills that you've never learned before, and just opening your mind to something completely new that you've never seen before. Trust me, I felt the same way in the beginning. I was nervous about learning new skills online. I was so scared to do it because I'd never done it before. But once I did it, it just felt different. So I encourage you to do the same thing, and you'll gain a new perspective on life and on everything, money, time, and life together. Life all together, you'll experience a new perspective. So I challenge you to open your mind and try something new, learn something new. So yeah, the website, you can go to it. It's in my page, and if you're interested in it, you can take action today. You can change your life. You can, do something different. No guarantees here. Not saying that your whole life is going to change. Not saying you won't have issues in life still, or that you have to deal with your personal issues, but you can make a small action like I did. I took a very small action, and it just gave me so much more opportunity. It didn't change my circumstance, but it gave me more opportunities in life. It gave me just more opportunities. So if you want the same, if you don't want to be limited to just doing one thing in life, and just staying at one place, or being stuck at one job, or if you just want to open up and have a little bit more freedom, I encourage you to open your mind and try something new. Learn some new skills on the internet. It can change your life. It really can. And yeah, just open your mind, and if you have questions about how to get started, you can DM me, you can PM me, you can send me a message on here on YouTube. You can send me a message, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. You can leave me a comment. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have about getting started, any concerns you have about starting something new, and yeah, I'll be more than happy to answer any questions. So if you're interested in seeing more content like this, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and or else I'll see you in the next video. This one's a little bit different. I'm not in a typical environment that you see me in. It's just me outside, you know. Just outside chilling, you know. Yeah, if you're interested in more, just let me know, you know. Let me know what's on your mind, and I'll be more than happy to help you get started with this. And if you're not interested, then just give me a like or subscribe, and that will make me happy enough, you know. And any action you take means a lot to me, so I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.